Sa tiyemporan kang tag-ururan, nagapayo ang talatapan kang DPWH District Office sa gamay nga pag-atrasar ka mga proyekto sa bahin kang atin mga karsada. May piraman ka mga dragkel nga proyekto ang opisina nga dali na lang matapos. Pareho kang San Pedro Road nga 90% rin nga tapos. Amuman ang Sibalom Iganya Road.
The road concreting of San Pedro is still ongoing. One of the projects was already finished, and then the adjoining projects is still ongoing, almost 90%. Now, the Sibalom-Enganya Road were already completed. Actually, even it is a rainy season, they have to follow the contract of the project. If it is 90 calendar days, so they have to finish it within 90 calendar days.
May bag-o tulad nga direktiba ang DPWH Secretary, may angat sa mando nga bawal rin magbetang kang anda mga itsura kag ngaran ang sangka politiko sa mga ginapatigayon nga proyekto. Diyan nakabetang sa DPWH Department Order Number 37.
The department order signed by the Secretary Rogelio Singson regarding the subject matter installation of revised project billboards for all projects that we will install for every each project will be installed without any pictures. It will only include put the project title, project name, the cost of the project, date started, date finished, and then implementing office, then source of fund.
Para sa Co Patrol, Peter Saldivar.